When using WPS spreadsheets for statistics and reports, how can we change the font in a cell? In this spreadsheet, select a range of cells. In the Home tab, we can change text settings including size and text color, and add effects for this text such as bold, italic, fonts, underline, etc. Select the cells filled with WPS Academy, right-click the cells, and choose Format Cells in the pop-up menu. Or we can just select the cells and press the shortcut Ctrl+1. Click the Font tab in the dialog box, Format Cells. We can change the font settings mentioned above and add effects for the contents. Effect settings include strike-through, superscript, and subscript. We can see the font effects in Preview. Click OK. The final font effect will be adopted in the selected cells.